So once we're able to find data easier and trust it because we have well annotated data on the way, so I don't have to make a call or send 3 other emails to clarify what is this data set, what do you mean by this, so that I can integrate it with this other data set. So reducing or adding to those operational efficiencies. I think another aspect probably too, that it's sort of like an incremental value adding to this chain is really thinking ahead. So sometimes not only we're reducing the cost of the aggregation or data integration, but it also minimizes the risk or the waste, right? In the sense that sometimes we can find the data, we go and repurchase data sets or the same data sets over and over again in large organizations because I don't have access to, or I think we don't have the information internally. So what I do, it's easier, I'll go and repurchase the same data set. So this is incremental cost that is added just because we don't have a mature data landscape that we can leverage and have a good understanding of what data assets we have internally before we go and make additional investments. So in addition to the integration cost and the findability cost, there is also this other waste component that comes with that. And the other aspect I find is that the trust component, the primary the data for AI use, right? We're doing AI, but without the data, having the trusted data and the data quality in place, what are the implications of putting in this models data that we don't quite trust the quality of, or we don't know a lot of the provenance or other components to that? What does that position us as? What is the liability of that? I always look at the other side of there is value, there is insights, but there is a liability component that we need to be aware. And I find FAIR plays a very critical role in terms of building the credibility to the data sets that are input into these models.